Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change language in WhatsApp. To do this, you just need to go to the WhatsApp app, open the WhatsApp application, and after that, click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. And after that, go to Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down a little bit until you find an option called App Language. App Language. So by default, you will find it as like device language. So WhatsApp will be on the same language of your device language. To change it, you just need to click on it. And after that, you will find full list of the languages supported by WhatsApp app. You can choose any language that you want from those languages and just click on it. And as you can see, your WhatsApp account changed to that language. For example, in my case, I changed it to French. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.